Hi, it's Dorothy Harrison from RE/MAX Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to 1555 Kingston Road, Unit 501. These fantastic new urban chic townhomes are built by Marshall Homes. The location is absolutely magnificent. We are close to the Pickering GO train station, Pickering Town Center, Rec Center, the new Durham Live, and so much more. You're gonna love it. Let's check it out. The main floor offers a beautiful open concept layout. We have 9-foot ceilings, modern wide plank wood flooring, and a gourmet kitchen with granite counters and backsplash overlooking the family space. Here we are in your primary retreat, featuring a large closet and your own ensuite. This home features 2 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This home is move-in ready and waiting just for you. Once again, if you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, it's Dorothy Harrison from RE/MAX Hallmark. There's no place like home.